stood out, just enjoying the fresh air because I can breathe a bit better today. Seems to be a bit fresher, that air. I don't know, what do you say about it? Weather mods. Weather mods. We've had a wet winter. Just go and have a look, people. Yeah, go and have a look about it. And then you can see what they're up to. But yeah, listen, you can hear the birds and that. You know, like I said, trees have fell over and back. Over winter, it's been that wet. Well, it's been that wet for a reason. The wind stronger. It's got to be for a reason, hasn't it? There's always a reason behind it. And like I say, it don't take a superstar to work it out. You just got to be careful how you talk and that. You know what I mean? But weather mods, MOD. You know what I mean? MOD, it's not hard, is it? Weather mod. That's what I'm saying anyhow. Yeah. You can hear birds flying about over there and that. And the air, it's lovely, it's fresh. Get some of that in your lungs. Fucking dear. Hear the birds and that. Maybe it's tweeting his head off. It's over here somewhere. But yeah, just have a look at it, people, do you know what I mean? Nice fresh air today, ain't it? Nice and fresh, lovely. Get it in your lungs. Get it in your lungs.